Welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all of my future content. So this video is going to be a review of multi-digit addition with regrouping. Our first example problem is 41,958 plus 33,872. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we always start in the ones place with the digits all the way to the right. So we're going to start out with 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So the 0 and 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 gets carried over to the tens place. 5 plus 7 equals 12. We add the 1 that we carried over, it becomes 13. Again, we need to regroup. The 3 and 13 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 13 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Plus 1 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We add the 1 that we carried over, it becomes 5. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. And we have our final answer, 41,958 plus 33,872 equals 75,830. Alright, moving on to the second example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Uh-oh. It's the Mr. Camilleri. Mr. Camilleri. Mr. Camilleri show. Alright, our second example problem of the live stream is 29,431 plus 28,892. So we start in the ones place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. No regrouping is needed there because our sum is less than 10. We only regroup when our sum is 10 or more. 3 plus 9 equals 12. The 2 and 12 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 plus 8 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 9 plus 8 equals 17 plus 1 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 2 plus 2 equals 4. We add the 1 that we carried over, it becomes 5. And we have our final answer. 29,431 plus 28,892 equals 58,323. Alright, moving on to example number 3. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Uh-oh. It's the Mr. Camilleri. Mr. Camilleri. Mr. Camilleri show. Alright. Moving right on now. 62,911 plus 88,895. So we are starting in the ones place with the digits all the way to the right as usual. 1 plus 5 equals 6. No regrouping needed because our sum is less than 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Regrouping is needed in the tens place. The 0 and 10 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Plus 1 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Plus 1 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Plus 1 equals 15. And we have our final answer. 62,911 plus 88,895 equals 151,806. Alright, we are moving on now to example number 4. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. Alright, we are rocking out with example problem number 4. 49,753 plus 49,841. Starting in the ones place, 3 plus 1 equals 4. No regrouping needed there. We only regroup when our sum is 10 or more. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Again, no regrouping in the tens place. In the hundreds place now, 7 plus 8 equals 15. We will need to regroup. The 5 and 15 goes in the hundreds place. The 1 gets carried over to the thousands place. 9 plus 9 equals 18, plus 1 equals 19. 9, carry the 1. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. And we have our final answer, 49,753 plus 49,841 equals 99,594. All right, moving on to the next example. This could be the final example of the video. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Uh-oh. It's the Mr. Camilleri. Mr. Camilleri. Mr. Camilleri show. Alright, so starting in the ones place, 7 plus 4 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Every 3 digits we separate with a comma. And we have our final answer, 81,427 plus 92,314 equals 173,741. We are going to keep rocking out for another minute and a half or so. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you being here. $47,211 plus 21,398. Starting in the ones place, 1 plus 8 equals 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 0, carry the 1. 2 plus 3 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And we have our final answer. 47,211 plus 21,398 equals 68,609. All right, ladies, and I was gonna say that was my video for today, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do one more example. Call this the finale. one more example problem, and then we will call it a video. The final problem of the live stream. 94,281 plus 93,199. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Plus 1 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And we have our final answer. 94,281 plus 93,199 equals 187,480. All right, now that is my live stream for tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.